Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 KTM Race Competition 390. This is the one you've been waiting for. Lightweight, single cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled sport bike. Fantastic for commuting or track days. You know, lightweight motorcycles are way undervalued in our country. These bikes are fun to ride. This one's in excellent condition, 12,600 miles. We also have the rear foot pegs, so you can take a passenger on this bike. Just checked out in our service department, clean bill of health on this gorgeous KTM. Come by, check it out. This bike is priced to sell. We also have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.